Hello, hello, OFP Nation, and welcome to our midweek analysis. It is Wednesday, March 26, 2025, and we're going to dive into these markets and see what has been going on since we last got together on Sunday. Nick, are you with me?
Yes, I sure am.
Beautiful. By the way, before we get started, who is with us? Please let us know in the comments. Tell us what your name is. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. Tell us what your name is and where you from. Hello, Marinda. How are you, sweetheart? It's good to see you. Good evening to you. It's actually 3 o'clock in Chicago, so good afternoon for me. Who else is with us today? Who is with us today? Who is with us today? Sorry, y'all. I figured I'd bring a little bit of energy to the live because, you know, the last couple lives, I was just not there. I was here, but I wasn't here, if you know what I mean. So who else is with us besides Marinda? Anyone else want to say hello? Yeah, I know it's 10 o'clock over by you, Marinda. Time zones are so crazy, right? Hi, Yusuf. It's so nice to see you. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. All right. So guys, if anybody wants to say hello, please say hello in the comments, but keep it respectful, please. Otherwise, your comment will be deleted and you will be banned. I'm just warning you. Thank you. Okay. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to see how things have been moving so far for this week and how things are projected to move for the remainder of this week. So make sure that if you have any of your own charts marked up, you pull those up so that we can kind of compare. And if you have any other pairs that you want us to look at before we leave tonight, or this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are in the world, you know, you can let us know in the comments and we'd be more than happy to review that for you. No, thank you. I will not be addressing that, sir. Hi, Goth. Okay, is it Kenneth or is it Kevin? I can't remember.
Kenneth.
It's Kenneth. So I was right the
that's
first
sure.
time.
Yeah.
Now, if I remember correctly, is he from the United States? Are you from the United States, my friend? Was it Kentucky? Somebody's from Kentucky. I gotta remember. Okay. Kenneth. Okay, Kenneth, you're in the US, right? Let me know.
Atlanta.
No, that's Akeem. Akeem is in Atlanta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know, Miranda's in South Africa. You see, we get to know. He said it's top secret. We get to know our trading community here, guys. All right. I know you by name and by country. Okay. All right. Okay. So without further ado, let's dive into these charts because we want to make money, right? That's what we're here for. We're here to grow and build our trading careers. So I'm going to step back. I'm going to keep an eye on the comments and Nick is going to take us through the charts. Are you ready?
Yes, I was born ready.
Born ready. Andiamo. Let's go.
All right. So, yeah, with starting first with the dollar index. So, with the dollar index, we are right on schedule. So, like we already discussed last week, we talked about change in trend, and that's already happening right now. We have already gone past a few resistance levels, which is great. And we are literally coming to the midpoint over here, which is also great. So we're already on our way. Tomorrow is unemployment claims. So we should be ready for that. And yeah, let's see what it's going to be. Because, like I said, it's either we're going to have equal number to 225K or below 225K. So let's move over to euro dollar. So euro dollar, same scenario as dollar index. We are on our way as well. Midpoint, of course, is somewhere here. So we might be finding ourselves here. This weather was in like one red candle. So we might actually be finding ourselves here. Maybe we could reverse from here, or we could just go all the way down to 103,500. So we're yet to see where euro dollar will take us for the rest of the week, especially with unemployment claims. Doesn't mean if there'll be unemployment claims that the dollar will reverse. It can continue in that just one direction for a long while, especially since the quarter is coming to an end. So trends are probably changing at this current moment in time. Then let's look at pound dollar. Pound dollar is slowly coming down as well. We might also have the same scenario of a midpoint right about here. So that is what I'm expecting at 1.27500. We may actually see that, or we may actually just drop to 25500. So that is our anticipation on all of this. And then when it probably comes there, that's when I'll probably remove all of these drawings that we have on the chart. Then let's move over to dollar yen. Dollar yen, we seem to slightly but surely continue going up. We might actually be finding ourselves reversing at 152 as anticipated, or we could just be coming all the way down directly and then maybe reversing from this level of 148,500 levels, and then probably bouncing from there and continuing to the upside. So those are the two scenarios. But the fact that unemployment claims is coming out tomorrow, I still do think we're going to probably make a new high right above 151, and then going right beyond to 152. Then probably from 152 we can be looking for some shorts going to the downside, probably coming down to 149 or 148. Then dollar Mexican. So dollar mexicano, we are literally here. We made the pullback, of course, and then we are back to this support level becoming resistance. We're touching it, and we most probably will be reversing from here, but we're yet to see what unemployment claims does for us tomorrow. Either we're going to go to the upside and then make a new high and then finally come to 20.40, or we're going to come all the way down. We're going to just have a spike and then come all the way down and make a new low, because dollar Mexican doesn't move like the rest. That's one thing I know about dollar Mexican. Then CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss have been having a nice run up. So we might actually be seeing ourselves come all the way up here to 62250. Then maybe probably reverse from there, or just break right through and then come to 62750 and then continue to the upside. Then let's look at pound yen. So pound yen, we have reached a level of resistance twice. This is the second time, and we pulled back from this area once again. Remember when we had to break this level as well? We touched it quite a few times and reversed from it. So we might actually be having the same scenario over here. But let's see what happens. We don't really have any major news coming up for pound and the yen this coming few days. That's just probably next week. But with my assumption, we might actually just be moving sideways for the time being before we actually go up. And then if we do go right past 195, then we might definitely be seeing ourselves coming to 198 on pound yen. Then let's look over to gold. So gold has been moving sideways, unfortunately. So it broke the trend line, then started moving sideways. This resistance level naturally became support, and we have been bouncing off this level quite a number of times. We might actually be coming down to 3000 level, since that's ideal level. So let's just keep an eye watch on that and see how the weekend. Tomorrow is unemployment claim, so we might actually dip all the way to 3,000, then even probably 2970 level, then bounce from there, then maybe continue upward move to the upside. Yeah. So let's now look at the indices, starting with NAS 100. So NAS 100 reached this level of resistance, and we went right past through it. Then we had a rejection today. I don't know if it's posing itself to go all the way up. We are not too sure, but we're yet to see what happens. Tomorrow is unemployment claims. I keep on repeating myself on that. So let's see. We might just possibly bounce from here, since this is like resistance levels. So these resistance levels are naturally becoming support. So we can just keep an eye look on that. This could be a nice reversal from this level. Then we could be going all the way up, then coming probably to 28 or 2600 or 2500. Yeah, but I think a psychological level would be 2600. So that's where I believe we could be coming up to. We are yet to see, but we are definitely having high hopes on unemployment claims. Then we have the push up here on US 30. We have been going up, not even looking down. We gapped, we went right above this resistance, and we are continuing with that move to the upside. Another level where we could be facing some resistance are these minor resistance levels right here. We already touched it and we had a bit of rejection, but possibly this was just so as to discount the price of US 30. Probably tomorrow we may just see one bullish candle continue to the upside and probably coming all the way to 44,000. So we're just waiting on that. So tomorrow is a big day, Thursday, unemployment claim. So let's see. Then let's move over to Ethereum. So Ethereum is at the 2000 level. We seem to either be moving in a consolidation upward, or we could just possibly be moving all the way down here soon around 1900. But we are yet to see where Ethereum takes us. Not much comment on that. And Bitcoin reached this same level of resistance that we talked about on Sunday, and we have been having rejection from here. So we went up, we pushed immediately down, didn't even take us too long. We went up again, we pushed immediately down. So could this be a tipping point for Bitcoin at this current moment in time? Maybe, maybe not, but we're yet to see where this actually takes us. My anticipation is that we are literally reversing from here around the 88,000 level, and then we could be seeing ourselves coming all the way to 76,000 by probably the beginning of April, but possibly by the end of April, we could be seeing ourselves already down by 76,000 on Bitcoin. So we are literally done now with our analysis. Ray can come out from hiding now.
Oh, I'm like, where's that camera? Hi. Wow, that went fast. That's not record timing. I think record timing was like 9 minutes.
I think 7.
7 minutes? Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It always feels like a weather forecast for me on Wednesday.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Were you paying attention though?
Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't.
Okay, but how about today? How about today?
I was entertained by our comments. So,
Okay.
you know, not, I caught some bits and pieces. Caught some
Okay.
bits and pieces.
So I was
So,
just literally like that newsman saying that, oh, so in North Carolina, we're going to have a few thunder showers here and there, but in Chicago, plenty of sunshine.
it's definitely sunshine in Chicago. Definitely.
Yeah. So, yeah, I was just literally like that weather forecast, man, trying to tell everybody unemployment claims, watch out, watch out. Unemployment claims, here we come. Like, my focus on it is that we are going to get less numbers. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I don't know about you, how you feel about unemployment claims right now.
To be honest, I am probably like the one person that does not pay deep attention to the news. Um, I do a little bit, but that's only for me to see the volatility that the market may have as a result and how it may impact my trading. But as far as
Uh-huh.
like going deep into the fundamentals and really understanding fundamentals, I've never gotten to that point. I've always just been strictly technical.
Okay.
Um, but I really admire that you understand the fundamentals, like
I try. I try. It
no,
gets boring sometimes.
um no, I really admire that. I really admire that. Because I don't.
Hmm.
I don't. Kenneth was like, to be honest, the banks have been playing with my stop loss lately. Man, they do that. Hmm. Or the brokers do. Is it brokers that do that?
No, no, no. It's the institutions, the
Is it?
banks,
Oh my
the hedge
goodness.
funds. Yes,
Oh,
not the broker. The broker, if the broker is doing that to you, then they're just probably manipulating you. Yeah, so
good.
brokers, very few brokers do that because these days, yeah, it's not
Mir-
really about trying
M-
to, yeah, it's
Miranda, how are
about,
you? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my friend.
yeah.
I didn't mean to cut you off.
Yeah, so no, I was reading her comment. Like it's hard to, especially with the comments, but I got gold and US dollar info. Happy here. Yeah.
Yes. How's your gold trading going, Miranda? Um, Let us know. We'd love to hear how you've been coming with your progress. Um, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm laughing at the comments. Not every
Sure.
comment gets to be put on the screen, but um, trade during news if you want to be the best. Hmm. I have a good friend that is an excellent news trader, Kenneth. He is amazing. He can take $100 accounts and flip them into several thousand within a few days. Like we talking a lot of thousands. But of course, disclaimer, trading is a risky business.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? You may not want to try that. Yeah, unless you're willing to risk $100, which is, for most people, at least here, it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, that's what he does. He takes $100, turns it into several $1,000s by trading news, and then he is so good at it, Kenneth. I'm telling you, it blows my mind. I don't know how he does it, but he's a genius. Definitely. All right. It's coming along. Miranda said her trading is coming along. Yeah, I know. I know. Do we have any other pairs that we want to look at before we leave this lovely afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, morning, depending on where you are? Ah, keep shining. Know that you can always count on me. Do you know the words, Nick? For sure. You
Not really.
what? You're supposed to say that's what friends are for.
I don't really know the song to be honest.
Dang it. Normally, you know every song I sing. I can't believe you're
Except
letting me.
this one.
Except for this one, the good
Yeah.
times, the bad times. All right. Miranda, that's fabulous. 5% growth. You go, girl. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Well, since nobody has no other pairs that they want us to take a look at today or no questions, we are going to skedaddle. That means we're going to leave. Okay. But we will be back on Sunday. Okay. Don't miss us too much. But we hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your trading week. And remember, trade responsibly, use proper risk management. You don't have to be in every single opportunity you see. Make sure that you really feel good about the setup. Okay. Other than that, Nick, you have anything else you would like to say?
No, I'm good.
Okay. All right, friends. We will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with us. And yeah, we'll see you on Sunday. You are most welcome, Miranda.